The 3D model in ARCHITECHTURES and its utilities. From the moment we have generated a model, we can begin working with the options provided by the platform. On one hand, in the input panel, we find two tabs: Situation, where we can specify the analysis environment of our site by indicating longitude, latitude, month, day, and time to simulate solar incidents on our project. This time, we'll mark the location of the city of Malaga, March 15th, and 12 o'clock. And Section, where we configure parameters to visualize horizontal, cross, or longitudinal sections on the model of our projects. On the other hand, in the central window, we'll have the following navigation tools. The left mouse button controls the camera orientation. The right mouse button drags the view. And the mouse wheel controls the zoom level. Additionally, at the bottom right, we can find the following visualization tools. Environment activates or deactivates the visualization of environment elements we have created or imported. Buildings activates or deactivates the visualization of existing buildings. Solar path activates or deactivates the visualization of the solar position at a specific moment. Solar range activates or deactivates solar projection for a specific day. Perspective is the default view in the model view. It's a conical view that the user can control with the mouse. Top is a zenith view of the model that the user can also control with the mouse as they would in the plan's view mode. We encourage you to continue watching the next video to learn more about our platform.